With iQPowerTools here, wanted to show you our new generator. 10,000 watt generator, 95 peak operating watts, 33 liter gas tank. So it gives you almost 9 gallons of fuel. And it is very, very good on fuel. We've had it out on the job and done some testing with it. 68 decibels, so it's really quiet for a big generator. The remote start that you saw is a really nice feature. Also, you can use the start button here. It does come with a variety of different plugs. 50 amp or 30 amp plug, 110, 120, not a problem. It's got the nice handles to move it, to pick it up, turn it, brakes on all the wheels to lock it in place on both corners, and it's got the lift points if you do need to pick it up with a loader or something to move it around the job site or into the back of a truck. Going to be available here at iQ very soon.